Good morning, everybody. Our next program is to implement circular convolution. We'll first write CLC, clear all, and close all to close all the functions in the command window. Next, we'll take a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, any random sequence. Another sequence xn is equals to brackets 1, minus 1, 2, 1. Next, we will find the length of these sequences that we have declared right now. So I'll write here length. First, find out the length of the xn sequence. Next, I'll find the length of another sequence, which is hn. In circular convolution, it is required to find the maximum of both these lengths. Why? Because the output will be of the maximum length of both the input signals, that is xn and hn. Next, we will be displaying an array. We will be here initializing. We use here display disp. We will be initializing an array with zeros, and take the variable as yn. And its length will be how much? The maximum length of the inputs that we have taken. Now we will be coming to our output here. Next, we will be displaying here the elements after the circular convolution. And another variable, that is yn, and we'll write here conv, the command that we have. Write the xn here, hn here, comma, and the sequence variable that we have taken, the length of the output signal. We'll check the variables. We will first save this. We can save it by any name here, and let us save this by circular underscore convolution. And then we have a command here. It is, if it does not exist, that name or that option is not there, underscore, so we will not leave a gap here, and I'll simply write here circular conv, and then we will save it. This is the advantage of the MATLAB here. Anything which is not applicable is not saved here. Let us see the output that we have got. Input is the xn 1, 2, 3, 4 that we have already declared here. The output, the another sequence is hn 1, minus 1, 2, 1. It is declared. The length of the input is 4. Length of another sequence is also 4. The maximum length is 4 here. The array that we have initialized here is of the length 4 here. Why? Because we have taken that array here. And this is the output of the circular convolution. Let us change these sequence. Let us try with some another sequence. I change the input here. I make it 1, 2. I make this length as 1, 2, the unequal length. Again, I'll run it here. And now let us see the difference that I have got here. The input is xn. Hn is, I have not changed it here. So 2 and 4. So the maximum length here will be the 4 that it has to take. So the xx here is the 4 here. And this is the output that I have got. We can also plot the graph here since it is a discrete here. So I can write here stem and my output is yn. And then I'll run this command. Let us see. My output is the same and I have got a graph here. We can run it. This is the graph that we have got here. I maximize this. The same values I have got at 1, I have got an amplitude at 3 because it is overlapping with this border line. Again at 2, I have got an output as 1. Similarly at the remaining points. So here, this is for the circular convolution. Thank you.